Hello everyone, I'm Seamus, a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team at Pentagon Solutions. And in this short video, I'm going to show and talk to you about adopting a BIM process with Revit. The traditional construction process has limitations in terms of coordination, collaboration, and information management. Design and visualization would typically be represented through 2D drawings with the use of AutoCAD, which may require technical expertise to interpret and visualize the outcome. Coordination, collaboration, and communication between stakeholders was often fragmented, relying on in-person meetings, phone calls, and emails being exchanged. Information integration would be scattered across various paper-based or email documents, making managing and tracking changes challenging. Modifying one document may require updating multiple manuals and people manually. While identifying clashes or conflicts between different building systems or components often occurs during the construction phase, leading to rework, delays, and project running over cost. Any changes or issues resulting in delay and errors due to this manual coordination process typically results in further delays due to the information not reaching the right person at the right time. The primary focus of the traditional construction process is in the design and construction phases, with limited consideration for facility management and the operations of the project. In the past, Pentagon has been able to assist many companies with taking the first step into adopting a BIM process. Moving away from a traditional process can be a challenging transition for any organization. It involves various steps such as identifying software requirements, upskilling your team, defining your BIM goals, and clearly identifying your organization's end goals. All of this can seem very overwhelming. Many organizations are deterred from exploring these new processes due to the fear of disruption of the current systems, which are currently working regardless of the current gaps that may be apparent. However, by assessing your company's current workflow, evaluating your organization's current design and collaboration processes, and identifying pain points in these areas, Pentagon is able to integrate your current system and gradually start to implement and adopt this new process, transitioning your organization from traditional processes to BIM processes. At Pentagon, we specialize in BIM gap analysis, which can align your organization with the current best practices of the industry. Defining your BIM goals to seamlessly integrate with your existing workflows to enhance collaboration, improve efficiency, and increase project quality. One of the industry's leading BIM tools is Revit, incorporating architectural, structural, and MEP elements into one centralized model for design, construction, and facility management. Revit allows for creating and managing 3D models that are collaborative and used for coordination across all disciplines. This coordination reduces errors and inconsistency between contractors, providing a higher quality of project management across the project's lifecycle. Revit, being a BIM software, plays a critical role in providing numerous ways to integrate, collaborate, and coordinate with other contractors. By utilizing a centralized model approach, data is stored in a centralized location within the Revit model, enabling efficient data sharing and creating a single source of truth for stakeholders. This in return promotes transparency, collaboration, and information exchanges between every discipline. Revit's parametric functionality allows for fast and effective design iterations, while any modifications made to an element's geometry or information parameters are automatically captured and updated throughout the project. This provides an effective way of maintaining consistency and ensuring all users are using the most up-to-date models for that project. This reduces errors and inconsistency across the project, drawing, and the information about the project, ensuring documentation remains coordinated and synchronized. A BIM process is more than just a 3D modeling tool. It focuses on both graphical and non-graphical information being updated and exchanged fluidly. This process allows stakeholders to collaborate and share information throughout the entire lifecycle of a project. Pentagon can assist with a gradual BIM implementation for these processes into your organization, improving design, documentation, and information exchange workflows, encouraging transparency, collaboration, and information sharing among your team members and third-party contractors. Pentagon can provide comprehensive training to your team members, ensuring they understand Revit's full capability and software features, different workflow processes, and the requirements of a BIM project. Regardless if you're a BIM technician or modeler, project manager, BIM coordinator, information manager, Pentagon can provide services that can facilitate all of your organization needs and role-specific requirements. From design to handover, construction to operations, each stage is essential for coordinating the project and ensuring that data used is correct and relevant. The utilization of this data is crucial for the efficient management and operations of the facility. This data-driven information extraction from the model consolidation provides an effective way for creating and maintaining dashboard information which can be used across all areas of your project. These new processes have allowed for technological advancements, which has enabled us to work towards a digital twin. This technology facilitates the visualization, monitoring, and optimization of operational assets, processes, and resources being harnessed in real-time data, preventing operational issues after construction has been completed. The correct implementation of these processes is vital to allow this information to be accurate, relevant, and useful to your project. See the link in the description for some of our customer success stories, BIM services, and the different training provided here at Pentagon. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to keep up to date with future videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.